If you want to move data between the USB flash drive and Samsung Galaxy S25, in that case, once you connect your USB flash drive, we need to open the My Files app that we can find by default in the Samsung folder in Apps screen. Now over here we have two options. We can either choose one of these categories in order to look for our file, or we can go to the internal storage if you want to transfer from the phone and look for the data in a specific folder. As an example, I'm going to go to images and I can press and hold my finger in order to start selecting data that I want to transfer. Once I select it, I can press move. And then over here at the top, I can choose destination. So in this case, I'm going to choose USB storage. And then I can place it, for example, just to put it quickly in downloads, and then I can choose move here. Now over here we can find this information that we can rename file or replace the existing one. We can just set it to rename. In that case, it's up to you, of course, and move completed. So now we won't be able to find it in images because it is in USB storage, but we can go to USB storage, and here, since I placed it in download, then I can find it in this place. Now if I want to transfer from the USB storage, then this is how it looks like. We need to simply go to the USB storage, find our file or files, press and hold on them in order to select them, and then once again select move. This time we want to choose internal storage and where we want to place it. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe not pictures but DCIM, and then camera, and then over here. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!